In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reuse posts in Google Classroom. Reusing a post is a great way to save time and keep your class materials consistent. It lets you take an assignment, question, or announcement you've already used and bring it into another class or reuse it again in the same class without rebuilding anything from scratch. Start by heading to the Google Classroom homepage. This is where you'll see all of your classes in one place. From here, choose the class where you want the reused content to appear. I'll open the one labeled Class 2. Once you're inside the class, navigate to the Classwork tab at the top. Classwork is where everything you create and organize for students' lives, so it's the perfect place to manage reused content. Next, select the Create button. This opens the menu of everything you can add to the class. From that list, choose Reuse Post. This option is specifically designed for pulling in something you've already made elsewhere, saving you the effort of recreating instructions, attachments, and settings. You'll now be asked where you want to pull the post from. Pick the source class that contains the original content. In this example, it's a class called Sample. After selecting the class, you'll see a list of posts from that class. Find the one you want to bring over. Here it's titled Lesson 8. Click it to preview what you're about to reuse. When you're ready, click Reuse. Classroom will open the post editor with all the original details pre-filled. This is a convenient moment to confirm that everything looks right for your current class. Check the title, instructions, points, topic, and any attachments, especially if you're sharing templates or files that students will need their own copies of. If anything needs minor tweaks, you can make them now so the post is tailored to this class's needs while still saving lots of setup time. When everything is set, click Post to publish it to your classwork stream. That's it. The reused post is now live in Class 2, ready for students to see and use. A quick recap: open the class where you want the content, go to Classwork, choose Create, select Reuse Post, pick the source class, choose the specific post, reuse it, review the details, and post. This workflow keeps your materials consistent across classes, reduces repetitive work, and helps you maintain a clear, organized classwork page. Reusing posts is one of the simplest ways to scale your best lessons efficiently.